Here are the most asked questions, FAQ, on AdSense monetization in Zambia for websites and YouTube channels and answers. In this video, you will also learn the following. 1. How do you become a YouTuber in Zambia? It is easier than you think. If you have a smartphone or PC, you can become a YouTuber. All you need to do is to choose a niche or what your channel will be about and make videos and upload. You will also need to learn how to edit videos, create good thumbnails and search engine optimization for your videos. Don't worry if you know nothing on this. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you are going to learn about all this. 2. How to rank or get more views on YouTube channel in Zambia. After creating your channel, you will need people to watch your videos, and this something that is hard at first since you need to promote your videos on your own. You can post in any related Facebook group, WhatsApp group, Telegram, etc. 3. How to make money on YouTube in Zambia. Now that you have your channel set up, you will need to monetize your videos in Zambia. There are so many ways to make money on YouTube. I have a full video on this, check the link in the description. 4. AdSense PIN verification for YouTube and website in Zambia. AdSense PIN verification, it is something that is hard in Zambia. I have a full video guide on how to create and verify your AdSense account in Zambia. The link is also in the description. 5. Does AdSense work in Zambia? Yes, AdSense works in Zambia. But first, you need to understand two things. There are two types of monetization. 1. Website, blog monetization in Zambia. This is where you signed up for AdSense and apply for monetization of your content or posts on your website or blog. Monetization of websites is 100% fully supported in Zambia. Learn how to monetize a blog in Zambia here. 2. YouTube channel monetization. This is where you apply for the YouTube Partner Program and earn money. This is not fully supported in Zambia. Zambia is not on the list of countries where people can apply for monetization. In countries where monetization is not available, people usually change the channel country to a monetization available country like the USA. But this is not something that YouTube encourages people to do. To get monetized on YouTube in Zambia, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the last 12 months before applying, not 12 calendar months. 6. How to get paid by AdSense in Zambia and on YouTube. AdSense pays on 21st of every month and the minimum amount is €70. AdSense pays on the following month. For example, if I make €100, I can't get paid this month, can only get paid the following month. Available payment methods are wire transfer, where AdSense sends the money directly to your bank in Zambia. The second payment method is check. This is where AdSense mails you a check. Conclusion: I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, feel free to share with others. If you have questions, feel free to comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and also check out my main channel, Zambian YouTuber, to subscribe to in 2021. My name is Keith Rains. I am a Zambian YouTuber. I create video content mainly on how to make money online, business and tutorials. I never do pranks, comedy or other stupid stuff. If this is something that interests you, then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel in Zambia here.